Hello little friends, get ready for an adventure with Learn with Little.
A for ant. B for book. C for camel. D for doll. E for eagle. F for flower. G for gloves. H for hammer. I for island. J for jelly. K for kite. L for letter. M for mask. N for needle. O for owl. P for pumpkin. Q for quack. R for radio. S for snail. T for truck. U for unicorn. V for vacuum. W for worm. X for Xmas tree. Y for yarn. Z for zipper.
Thank you for joining us little learners, and don't forget to like and subscribe to keep learning with us.